Hey everyone, in this full guide, I'll show you how to change controls in BlueStacks in 2026. So if you want better keyboard layouts, custom gaming controls, or smoother gameplay with mouse and keyboard, yeah, this tutorial will walk you through everything step by step. First, launch BlueStacks and open the game or app where you want to change the controls. Next, look at the right side toolbar and click the keyboard controls icon. This opens the control editor, where you can customize buttons and key mappings. BlueStacks usually creates default controls automatically for popular games. So you can first review the existing setup before changing anything. If your controls stop working properly, you can reset everything back to the default layout from the controls menu. Now return to the game and test your controls. So, make small adjustments if movement or aiming doesn't feel comfortable yet. And that's basically how to change controls in BlueStacks in 2026. Now you can fully customize your keyboard and mouse setup for smoother and more comfortable gaming on PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.